So, alright guys, I had to redo this part because it didn't record and it was just awful. So, I left a bunch of stuff out. So this is my refrigerator I'm defrosting. I got this at Kmart. The one outside I didn't have. So this one I lived with for a long time. I got food poisoning a couple times because the freezer got so thick of ice that the rest of it wasn't keeping the food cold. So I kind of learned my lesson. Don't do what I did. Make sure you defrost. So then a friend of mine in town, Jamie, who works at the gas station, she gifted me a refrigerator that she had, and her son delivered it, which was incredible. And it's made such a difference because this is not really big enough for much food. But I might take this camping. It's electric, so I will need to use my generator. But I also wanted to mention that I have these tubs I use for washing the dishes. And they're a godsend because right now my drain was blocked. My brother came up last week and we worked on it and we made some kind of progress, but I'm not sure if it's completely done. This faucet has to be swapped out because it's just old and it's leaking and it's causing damage. So I had to turn everything off. I've got all the water now reconnected underneath the sink. I know it's just horrible. It's horrific, but the drain doesn't work, so it doesn't matter anyway. I don't know. We might have fixed it, but I'm not sure. So that's kind of the update. But these things are great. I know people don't like using they don't like the dirty dishwasher, but just change the dishwasher. And I just basically I take the sponge and I add the soap to the sponge. I don't put the soap in the tub. Anyhow, so that's what's going on. Here's the Kmart. The Kmart. What is the brand? It's a Kenmore. Okay. Anyway, it's nice except it frosts over. And it can kill you. But other than that, I love it. I gotta go finish the laundry. Let's go. Oh, I gotta finish the laundry. I am not going right now. I gotta finish this. It's such a nice day today. It feels like summer. It's March 25th or 24th, but it feels like summer, so I'm trying to take advantage of this great weather to finish my laundry and get some spring cleaning done, but I'm not in any hurry. I'm just going to do a few things. I don't want to overdo it. Right, Cookie? Let's not overdo it. Just get a little bit done every day. What's the matter, Bo? Guys. Put everything away. Don't shut the water off. Oh, are you ready to go in? Okay. Cookie, get out of there. Get out of there, Cookie. Cookie. Cookie, you're not supposed to be in here. Cookie. Outside. 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 I'll give you some. Come on, outside. Let Bobby in. Let him in. Come on. Come on. He's outside. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? That's my favorite monkey. So this video, I don't know how to make it shorter than 5 minutes, but it got out of hand this time. I'm gonna try to do better. I'm trying to stay under 5 minutes, and I'm trying to release a video like every 3 to 4 days, but I don't really have a set schedule. So every 3 to 4 days, I will try to get something, because it takes me about that much time to film and edit and review it, and then I'm having problems uploading because I guess I get a lot of lag during the day, so I have to do it like early in the morning, and sometimes it just takes a long time, and then I have to redo it, and I'm not really sure what's going on. It's kind of irritating that I'm paying for this and not really getting what I'm paying for. And there's nobody at the company cares. So that's my life. So I'm doing the best I can. And I'm trying to download every 3 to 4 days. All right? So that sounds good. I will see you later. Hope you guys are having a great spring and getting ready for summer. And you have great plans lined up to see family or to go on a trip or go see something that you haven't seen. I'll see you later.